How to use the Hisense washing machine. Ensure that the washing machine switch is on. Open this door, place the clothes right in. Open this here, put in the powder, the washing powder here, and should close. We have preset washing cycle over here. What we always recommend is the mix, which is a 1 hour's wash, which includes the washing cycle and drying cycle. If you'd like, once the wash is done, you can also do an additional rinse and spin, which is 30 minutes, or just a spin depending on what you would like, whichever cycle you would like to choose after the washing. So we put it on to mix for now, and we only press start. So you see the lock sign over here, you'll hear this click, so the door is locked and the wash cycle begins.